And now we present to you automation of maintenance and repair cost performance monitoring. I'm Rizalino Quedado, Operations Maintenance Coordinator.
Justin Contreras, Digitalization Coordinator.
I'm Alan Abrigo. I'm the Inspection and Maintenance Coordinator.
There is a lot of manual process in getting the data. Information is not readily available. There is risk factor because of volatility. Our vision is to enable operations such as facility managers, terminal managers, and maintenance team to have cost performance data and analysis readily available for them. To transpire with a proactive business decision that will enhance asset integrity, HSSE compliance. And this would be possible through a visual digital tool like Power BI and data manipulation and automation platform like Alteryx.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Our team believes that through digitalization, we make data and information easily accessible. Let's make an impact and break those information silos through the CIPAT idea. This is Team DOS, Dado, Justin, and Alan. Thank you for listening.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and